Winegard Trav'ler Pro Elevation Motor Replacement. To replace the Trav'ler Pro elevation motor, you will need a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 9/64 Allen wrench. If the antenna is not currently stowed, please stow it by holding the stow button on the IDU. Once stowed, unplug the IDU from power. On the roof, remove the 6 Phillips screws holding the housing cover in place. Remove the housing cover and gasket. It may be necessary to pry the housing cover off. Remove the black cap from the motor assembly. Disconnect the motor assembly cable from the motor. Remove the 3 9/64 Allen screws that secure the motor in place. Remove the motor from the turret. Align the coupler on the back of the motor with the post inside the turret and install the motor. Be sure to route the gray cables under the motor so they do not get caught between the motor and the turret. You may need to adjust the motor angle to align the screw holes. Reinstall the 3 9/64 Allen screws to secure the motor in place. The lower right hole on the motor will not have a screw. Connect the motor assembly cable to the new motor and replace the black cap. Replace the gasket and housing cover. Secure the housing cover in place using the 6 Phillips screws. Plug the IDU back into power and the system will power on. You have successfully installed the Trav'ler Pro replacement elevation motor. If you need assistance, please contact Winegard customer support.